Hey, welcome back. Gary Brown, Forging On. If I start coughing, sorry. I've had this past over 2.5 weeks. I've had this cough that's been going around and can't seem to shake it. Went through all kind of medicines, antibiotics and stuff, and ran out of those. And I'm still coughing. So I just came out to the shop real quick. I really haven't done anything in the shop because it's cold in here, but it's up to 40 today. So, hey. But this cold gets me coughing more, so I've just been staying in the house, wishing I was out in the shop. But anyway, I hope everybody had a good holiday, had a good Christmas. It's coming up on New Year. I just thought I'd do a little quick couple of unboxings, but I'm going to do them one at a time. So this one I got for Christmas. It's a showing right? Leatherman. Head upside down. It's a Leatherman Super Tool 300. And I'm going to open it up. I'm going to move the camera and then I'll show you. Okay. So, comes a Leatherman pouch. It's a little tight, but I guess it'll work. Guide. It looks like it covers at least 4. This is the one I got, the Super Tool 300. It has the signal, the surge, and the crunch all on here. I've never owned a Leatherman or any kind of multi-tool. This is my first multi-tool I've ever had, so let's see. I don't know if I can get it out. Oh, there it is. That's the company in case you have any problems, need a warranty. They put little those in there. So that's it. If it focuses or not. I guess that's supposed to be the ruler on the side. Little clips. Now what I was told, I got it for Christmas, I bought this at Smokey Mountain Knife Works. The guy showed me before he put it, he showed me from the model they had, that the difference between this one and some of the other ones is you can see the wire cutters, and I guess there's wire cutters in there. They've got replaceable blades. You see the little screw. So these little pieces come out. Don't know if I'd ever use them or not, but they're in there. You got the needle nose and I guess regular pliers. Let's see. This is the regular blade. Oh, I see it locks back so it won't stay. You can hold it like that. Or like this. It's kind of long in the way, but anyway. It's got a blade, very sharp blade. That blade is 3 inches, which is, what's that, 7.5 centimeters. So I guess you have to push this in, this little button, to release it. There you go. And then on the other side, that's a file. I'm not sure what that little hook on the end is. I guess it's in the paperwork. That's a single direction file. Let's see if that comes in. And this is a cross hatch file. I don't know if that's showing up or not. I can't tell the camera's looking at the thing at an angle. So and this whole center section comes out. Oops, I locked them all back. So we have two different flathead screwdrivers and an awl, and it looks like a lanyard ring. So if you push this and this back and just leave that out. I don't know if it locks or not. No, that don't lock. That's just a, I guess, for a lanyard. It doesn't lock out. And they all have the little thumbnail grabbers in there, so you can just grab something and pull it out. So that's the one side. Now the other side, is a serrated edge. Another very sharp blade. I have no idea what kind of steel it's made out of, but I'm sure it's pretty good. It's all made in America from my understanding. Oh, I see. Those little notches like on the file are just so you can grab it and pull it out like all the other stuff. That's all that is. And then there's a saw blade. It's kind of sharp. It's got a good cross hatching to it too. I don't know if it's coming in or if I'm getting too close, but it's got a pretty good cross hatching on it. Man, about to cut me. Let's see, it's got several middle things here. No, it's just got three. Look like more. Okay, so there's another flathead. See how that's working. And then a Phillips. This one has a 1D on it. 1D like dog written on the side. I don't know if that'll come in or not. It's got a long, sticks out there pretty good. It jumped up a little bit more in price. It went from, excuse me, I think this one was normally like almost $80 roughly, and they had it on sale for $63 at Smokey Mountain Knife Works. And but if you jumped up to about $100, they had ones that came with interchangeable bits. You had a thing to slide them into, like a little holder, and then a can opener. I'm sure something in here is a bottle opener, but I don't know. I'll forge my own. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Pliers seem pretty good. There may be something I'm missing on here. If you know of something I'm not talking about, let me know. But I think that's about everything I know of. And it just fits all back together. See how it fits in the pouch. That fits pretty good. Almost like they designed it for it. Oh, don't make me laugh. Don't make myself laugh. Anyway, I'm going to put it back in here for right now so I don't start coughing. So that was the Leatherman Super Tool 300. and can't wait to give it a try. And if you have any questions or anything, put them in the comments. Please subscribe, like the channel, or like the video, I mean, subscribe to the channel. And we'll talk to you later. I hope to get out here pretty soon if I can get rid of this cough thing. Apparently it's going around like the flu, but it just settles in your lungs and you cough for weeks and weeks. So I'm trying to get it over with so it don't get worse. And yeah, hope you have a blessed day. Y'all take care. Bye-bye now.